Round 1, start with foundation chain. Chain 50. In the second chain from the hook, work 3 single crochets. 3 half double crochets. Then 3 double crochets. "30 treble crochets. Three double crochets. Three half double crochets. Three single crochets. Here comes the leaf tip, 3 single crochets in the next stitch. Now we're mirroring down the other side, 3 single crochets. Three half double crochets. Three double crochets. Another 30 treble crochets for the other side of the leaf body. Finish with 3 double crochets. Three half double crochets. Three single crochets. Slip stitch to join. Round 2, add wire. This'll give our leaf that perfect, natural curve. Chain 1. Then work 6 single crochets. Six half double crochets. Three double crochets. "20 treble crochets for the leaf body. Three double crochets. 6 half double crochets. 5 single crochets. At the tip, 3 single crochets in the next stitch. Mirror down the other side, 5 single crochets. Six half double crochets. 3 double crochets. Twenty treble crochets. 3 double crochets. Six half double crochets. 6 single crochets. Slip stitch to join. Then change color for the next round. Round 3, chain to start. Ten single crochets. Thirty half double crochets along the leaf body. 21 single crochets around the tip. Another 30 half double crochets down the other side. Finish with 10 single crochets. Slip stitch to join. Remember, you can adjust stitch placement for different leaf lengths.